Hello and welcome to the College and Career Ready Standards for Math Parent Information presentation. We're recording this for you in case you missed the parent presentation here at McCool. We want to make sure that you get all the information that everybody else got at the presentation. So hope this brings some clarity to what the College and Career Ready Standards for Math are and how DODEA is going about implementing. So first we got a KWL chart. K stands for what do you know, W is what do you want to know, and L is what have you learned, so we'll fill in the L part at the end. But right now think about what do you already know about the College Career Ready Standards for Math, what questions do you need answered about the CCRSM, so you can pause and think if you want to. Today, we are going to be exploring and experiencing the College and Career Ready Standards for Math, CCRSM, so you should get your math thinking hat on. We're going to examine the fundamental principles of the standards, and we're going to address questions and concerns related to the standards. So why common standards? We're not going to play the video right at this moment, but if you look below this video on our webpage, there's a link to this video so you can watch it. It's well worth your time. It's pretty good. Here's the big picture. There's the Earth. DODEA has 74,437 students. And this is our common responsibility. All right, so let's do some math. Let's solve the following problem in our heads. 15 times 5, go! All right, 30 seconds to work this out in your head. If you have a partner, you could turn to your neighbor and explain how you solve the problem. If you're watching this by yourself, then obviously you're not going to be doing that. You could also pause if you need more time. Here's a sample solution. This is array thinking. You're going to see a lot of arrays, especially in the elementary grades. So here's part of the problem solved. So there's 10 times 5. Which is equal to 50, and there's an array for 10 times 5. But that's not enough. You need to add another 5 times 5, which is going to equal 25. So 15 times 5 equals 75. So that's one visual way of solving that problem. Here's the next level of problem. So this is a problem about a state park, and it gives you some information. The perimeter of the rectangular state park below is 42 miles. A ranger estimates there are 9 deer in each square mile of the park. If this estimate is correct, how many total deer are in the park? Explain your answer using numbers, symbols, and words. So at this time, if you want to solve this on your own, you could totally pause the video and solve the problem. So a greater responsibility through rigor. So instead of learning to solve problems one way, they're learning multiple ways: conceptually, procedurally, and through application. Three main shifts of CCRSM. Number 1 is going to be focus. 2, coherence. 3, rigor. Now here's what I'm really excited about. These are the standards for mathematical practice, how students interact with mathematics. So these are the things we want kids to do to become mathematicians and actually problem solvers when they get older. It's really cool. I'm not going to read every single one, but there they are. I'm going to post this also on the website, so if you want to see a much closer up version, feel free to click on it. There's lots of resources for College and Career Ready. Here's the link to the DODEA College and Career Ready site. There, if you click the circle right there under Parent Resources, it'll take you to the Parent Resource page. It'll give you videos on what to expect in each grade. It will give you parent guides. I've also posted these on our website so you can get them in an alternate location. And there's a ton of more parent information about College and Career Ready. as well as the Learning Skills Toolbox. So if you were playing along and you were doing the KWL chart, now's the time to fill in your L. What did you learn in this brief presentation about College and Career Ready standards? And if you have additional questions, please feel free to email myself, Mr. Lee, or Ms. Pulliam. Our contact information is on our website. If you'd like some clarification, we'll be happy to do that. If you'd like some more sample problems, those are on our website. Also keep our website bookmarks so that you can come back and see some of the additions as we move along in the process of implementing the CCRSM. All right, so thanks again, and go Seahawks!